Jumping stick. Poke.
Okay? Wanna read?
Yeah. The boy plays with his toys.
Very good.
Can you buy me a toy like this?
Okay. Next
I don't
time.
have bricks, right?
Yeah. Okay. Dali.
I used to have bricks when I
Oo,
was 8.
read muna.
The boy jumps for joy.
Very good. And what sound does O and Y put together make?
Oi.
Oi. Good job.